Would you look at who got a brand new toy? Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new year here in 2020 here at Ken Rogers Mostly Outdoors. I got a treat for you today, guys, because I got me a new toy. It's right over here. I know you probably see it over my shoulder. I got me a new Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer 360, and after I debated on air fryers for a while, just because I wanted it to do more than just air frying. I think this guy's gonna do the trick. Let's take a closer look at it. There it is, guys. I tell you what, I wanted something that was not just an air fryer, but also a toaster oven. This one is a air fryer, toaster oven, a dehydrator, rotisserie. It does so much. Granted, it's not a huge space, and I do a lot of stuff outside, but sometimes I just, the weather's bad, and I'm getting older and don't want to be out there as much. So this guy's will do the trick for me, and I got this set up for an air fryer. I've got it all cleaned up, ready to go, and I'm gonna do some chicken thighs for my very first cook in here, so I thought I'd bring you all along. Let me show you what I got going. Okay guys, I got 5 bone-in chicken thighs that I've cleaned up, patted dry, real good. I thought there was 4. Apparently I had 5 frozen down there, so it's all right. I think we can get all 5 in our basket. So let's get going. I got just to test this thing out. I'm not gonna bread it or anything. I'll show you that later on. But right now I'm just gonna season this up with some Killer Hogs, the barbecue rub. I know you've seen several people use that. I've used this one a couple times now, and it is so good. All right, guys, that's all we're gonna put on these. I kind of wanna get these going to see if I get these skin crisp up for us. We will sauce these up here after a while. Turn them. All right, just off camera, I've taken my little Misto bottle, and it's got olive oil in it, some extra virgin olive oil, and I've sprayed this down just to keep from sticking. And I didn't show it on camera just because I didn't want to make too much of a mess over here. So I'm just going to try my best to fit these in here. Honor that we're using a crisper tray. Try to make them all fit, but I don't want them to touch. We're gonna do this. Let's get this over to the 360. All right, I got this set up on air fryer. It comes up automatically to 400 degrees, and it's set for 18 minutes. I'm going to set my timer up to 20 minutes total. And I'm going to take my temperature down to, I believe thighs generally cook around 380 normally. Oop. And I hope it's just showing up on camera. And I'm going to go ahead and get this thing started to preheat. I'll probably turn these part of the way through. I'll definitely be checking temps because this is my first cook on it. Let's start our preheat. Okay guys, we are at temperature. Gonna open this up. I'm going on the middle rack because that's what it calls for air fryer. We're just gonna let her go. Hit start. We'll come back and check on her here in just a little bit. All right, I've turned on the light. Hopefully you can see inside there. We're about halfway through on this cook. Everything appears to be good. We'll give it about 10 more minutes and we'll check some temps on it. I don't know if you can see it. This thing does give off a little smoke. Not too bad. We're cooking his chicken. There is a little smoke. Alright, let's come in here and get some temps on this thing. It looks good. Smells good. There, we're not quite there, guys. Okay, guys, a little bit longer. I'm gonna set it for 5 minutes and we'll go in that direction. All right, I'm gonna reduce the time. Whoop, wrong one, dummy. I'm gonna go down, let's go 7 minutes. Gonna do a little bit of a reheat, but I'm just gonna let her go. All right, let's see how we did this time. Ooh, look at this smoke roll out of there. I'm gonna try to be a little bit more graceful this time. Pull these completely out. Hold some heat in here just in case we need it. Yeah, that was about it, guys. 164. By the time I glaze this, put it in, we're gonna be there. This one's 165. I'm very happy with these. I'm gonna put some glaze on these and put them back in there for just a minute or two to let it set. And we're gonna have some dinner. Just to follow up with the rub I used, this is the Killer Hogs the BBQ sauce. Love this stuff also. Alright, just gonna need a couple minutes on this one, guys. I'm gonna dial the time back to just a couple minutes. I might even just do the reheat, and that might be enough to set it. We'll see how it looks here in just a second. Alright, guys. Get this out. Get this on the plate. Get us some dinner. That just looks all kinds of good right there.
Yeah.
Would you look at that? Can you see that? I'm going in, guys. That is so good.
Yeah, it's so good. It's so good.
Ethan likes it.
I want more.
That air fry did really good. I thought the skin was gonna be a little bit more crisp than that, but it's got great flavor.
I like watermelon.
That Killer Hogs the barbecue rub and the barbecue sauce just over the top. That's one of my favorite rubs and sauces out there on the market. And it is finger licking good. Guys, I just wanted to give this thing a first run. I don't believe it was perfect, but I think that was more me being a rookie at this thing, and I can't wait to use it more, and I'm gonna bring you guys along a lot of that. We're gonna perfect this thing, guys. The flavor's awesome. I think I could've got my times better, but we'll deal with that as we go. No problems, I love this. The chicken is awesome, I love chicken thighs anyway. So, guys, till next time, Happy New Year, guys. As I filmed it, it is New Year's Day. I'm not sure when this will be up, but you'll see it first. So, guys, thank you. God bless you. Hit that like button if you haven't already subscribed to us. We got a lot to come here in 2020. God bless you, guys. Bye-bye.